Here we have the 60-second review on the Sportspower 8-foot outdoor trampoline for kids. Put together very well, very quickly. It's very robust. The fabric for the bouncing is of high quality. It's got an insane amount of springs underneath here to keep it all low down. The supports are well insulated just in case the kids come across and hit the sides, but it's very difficult for them to actually reach them themselves. It comes with a ladder. It's all made from stainless steel, aluminium, I believe, so it's not going to rust through from that. We had a quite breezy day and it seemed to hold up well against it. It does collapse here from the sides, so you can lower it down and take it all down and secure easily from that point of view. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. It's quite large, so make sure you have a good sized garden to put it in. Obviously it's 8 foot plus surrounding areas, so yeah, this is a good one. Catch you on the next one.